As far as our initial investigation was concerned, sir, the good senator is right. There are certain parameters that the RMO office should put, sir, like country of origin and tariff heading. And when you put that parameter, sir, if you put a parameter that is a new importer, sir, you should populate the data. Kung sino yung mga dumadating na new importer, sir, by inputting their TIN, sir, yung kanilang TIN. So para pag nabasa ng system, sir, maano na, sir, tatamaan siya. So yun yung work, sir, ng RMO to put yung new importer, sir. Yung listahan, he or she should populate the list of the new importer. Which in this instance, sir, nakita namin na hindi niya nailagay, sir. Yung list ng new importers. He was not able to update yung list of new importers para pag tumama sa sa parameter, katulad ng EMT, sir, pag tumama sa parameter, he will either go to yellow, red, or green. Then, another principle of the selectivity, sir, is it is anchored on the concept of unpredictability, sir. So, pag na-red ka, sir, pag tumama ka dun sa parameter, sir, they're also random pa rin, sir. Parang 20% lang dun yung magiging, depende, sir, sa capability ng customs. Like for us, sir, we have only about 10% to 16% capability to X-ray, sir. So imagine, sir, 20% yung red, sir, 20% ng 10,000, sir, is about 2,000, sir. So hindi pa rin sa kayang i-X-ray lahat, sir. So may random pa rin, sir. May random pa rin na kahit na-select ka ng green, ng red, sir, there is a possibility na mapunta ka pa rin ng yellow, sir, or
Please
green.
answer my question.
Yes, sir.
Bakit yung EMT naka-green ka agad? Hindi pa rin nasasagot eh. Bakit?
Yung ano nga, sir, yung hindi siya nailagay sa date, yung data, sir, hindi nailagay, sir, yung ano niya, sir, yung kanyang TIN.
Hindi, pero first time importation eh. Dapat yung automatic red. Bakit green ka agad no March 31, 2017?
Yun yung, sir, ang ano, sir, hindi nailagay nung RMO, sir, yung data for him to be selected, ano, sir, sa...
Another point, another point. Along with this shipment, itong manifest number or entry number 129547 dated May 17, 2017, ito yung may shabu, hindi ba? Ito yung may shabu, I'm telling you.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Kasama dito yung shipment, apat lahat ito eh. Yung tatlo, kasama ito, Guanping ang shipping line, di ba? Merong isa pang kasabay noong May 17 na via Hong Kong naman. Yun yung wait dalawa kasi shipping ito pero same date dumating. Hindi ba kayo na nag-alala o hindi nyo na-chinek, hindi na kayo nag-follow up dahil nasabat na nga yung ilang kilos to? 604 kilograms doon sa entry number 129547. May kasabay pa ito, entry number 129553, entry number 129554, isang barko, isang supplier, isang trading company, isang broker. Hindi nyo ba kinapa kung nasaan nyo pa yung dalawang containers? Dalawa pang 40-footer yun. Hindi nyo man lang sinundan, saan pa napunta? Kasi posible rin may shabu rin yun eh. Hindi ba? Well, common sense. Hindi naman kailangan expert tayo sa intelligence, hindi kailangan expert tayo sa law enforcement, hindi kailangan expert tayo sa customs. Common sense. Tatlo yung sabay-sabay dumating isang barko. Iba-ibang truck, siyempre, kasi isa lang naman prime mover na pwede maghatak ng 40-footer. If you want, I can even tell you the plate number of the truck, no, that transported the 3 other containers. So, nasa na yung tatlo pang containers, 40-footers, nakasabay dumating ng may shabu? Hindi nyo man lang sinundan nyo kung nasaan? But again, I'll go back to my original question. Paano naging green line kagad ang EMT? At paano nakapag-import ng ganong karami? Imagine, 524 entries. Out of the 524, 484 green. Ilan lang yung yellow eh. So, balik ulit ako sa tanong ko. Paano nagawa ng EMT yon sa customs? And where is Hilario now? Where is Hilario?
Your Honors, in the past several weeks, we've been
Well, I'm
trying...
telling you, I have information from inside Customs. He's still reporting there. He's never. Where is the suspension order?
We'll provide this, Honorable Chamber,
Where?
Your Honor. We'll provide it, sir.
Who appointed him?
All appointments in the Bureau of Customs is coursed through me, Your Honor, sir.
So you were the one who appointed him
Yes, Your Honor.
as part of a reorganization to centralize everything in customs. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So nobody can no more give an alert order except upon a written letter recommended by somebody below to you so that you can do an alert order stopping right away the processing of any shipment. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. The process
Now,
will be...